This is my drawing of a Halloween pumpkin, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the top edge of the eyes. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left with a straight angled line, going up and then out across the top of the eye. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing, going up toward the same height. Now on the inside, I'm just going to curl up the brow, coming in and then up with a short line. Let's go back to the outside. We're going to draw the bottom of the eye with a half circle, coming down, and just tuck that up on the inside. On the outside of the eyes, we're going to add a thick edge for the inside of the pumpkin. Starting from the top, it's going to taper this down towards the bottom of that curve, and then do the exact same thing on the right. Now we're going to add a thick brow around the outside of the eye. Let's start on the left. We're going to curve this up, come in, and I'm going to bend that down on the inside. Let's line this up on the right. We're going to go up, go around the top corner of the eye, and then bend that in. Now in between the brow, we're going to add a curve. We're going to go up, and then back down. Let's add in the stem. Starting over on the left side of the brow, bend this in, up, and then bend that over towards the right side. Now I want to draw the top edge of that stem. So we're going to draw a small oval, coming down, and then back up. Let's go to the bottom, curve this around, and then bend that out on top of the right brow. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the top of the mouth. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Let's separate the teeth with these points, coming down and then up. Just going to do the exact same thing on the right in the opposite direction. Let's add another point, coming down and up. I'm going to add a larger one, curving this down and then up towards the outside. Let's add one small tooth, going down and then curving this up towards the side of the eyes. And then we'll work our way around the side. Curve the mouth, coming around and then in towards the bottom. I'm just going to pull this in just underneath that large tooth. Let's point the bottom row of teeth up. So we'll start back on the left, we're going to go up and then down. I'm going to add a couple more coming in. Let's add one in the middle and one more on the right. Now just like we did with the eyes, we're going to add a thick bevel along the inside of the mouth. So let's start from the top left. I'm going to curve this around and then in behind that tooth. Now let's add the bevel across the bottom row of teeth. Start from this point, come in, and then angle that down. Now let's do that one more time. Coming in, and then down. Let's go that small tooth on the outside, angle this down, and then up underneath. Let's go that large fang, coming in, and then curve that up. Let's do that again. From these 2 points, come in, and then angle that up. Now in the middle, we're going to come in and then connect this in the center. Now before we draw in the rest of the body, let's go back to the stem. We're going to add some texture. Starting down here, just going to follow that curve, going up toward the top, coming down the middle, and then around the right side. Now let's go all the way down. In the center, we're going to start over on the left side, add a curve, coming down, and then up. Let's add a layer. On the left side, we're going to step down, curve this down, and then bend that up towards the side. Now I'm going to round out the side of the pumpkin, starting from the brow. We're going to go all the way around the mouth, and I want to tuck that in behind that fold on the bottom, and we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of a Halloween pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different things just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.